Alright everyone, let's talk about the ZTE Blade V80 Pro. Now this is the kind of budget phone that slides in at just under $180, but carries itself like it belongs in a much higher price bracket. There's no unnecessary fluff, no over-the-top drama, just the pure essentials, delivered in a clean and simple package. It's honestly quite refreshing. So, let's get into the details. The Blade V80 Pro, which launched back in November of 2025, comes equipped with a massive 6.75-inch display. This screen is more than big enough for whatever you throw at it, whether you're binge-watching your favorite series, endlessly doom-scrolling through social media, or making those questionable online shopping choices at 2 in the morning. We've all been there. Under the hood, it's powered by the Unisoc T7280 chipset. Look, this processor isn't out here trying to break any speed records or win prestigious awards. But what it does well. It'll keep your daily apps running smoothly and your games playable. Just a heads up though, if you're planning to crank every single game to its maximum settings, you might be asking a bit too much. For everyday gaming and use, it's perfectly capable. Now, let's talk storage, because this is where things get really good. The Blade V80 Pro comes with a very generous 256 gigabytes of storage baked right in. That's right. You don't have to worry about constantly deleting photos or begging your phone for extra space after just a few months. You have plenty of room for all your apps, videos, and memories right from the start. And what about the battery? It's packing a very comfortable 5,000 mAh battery. This is the kind of reliable, old-school workhorse power source that will easily carry you through a full day of use, and then some. It's steady, dependable, and there's no funny business. You can leave the house with confidence, knowing your phone isn't going to die on you by lunchtime. So, what's the overall vibe? The ZTE Blade V80 Pro is a clean, capable budget phone that doesn't pretend to be something it's not. It's straightforward, it's functional, and honestly, in a market saturated with overhyped devices, it's a breath of fresh air. It knows exactly what it is, and it delivers on its promises without any fuss. It is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable daily driver that won't break the bank. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.